My name is Fallon Carmichael Santiago, and I am a lifestyle and motherhood blogger at Casa de Fallon. The common thread is really about motherhood, but about not taking yourself too seriously and just kind of going with the flow and keeping your style throughout all of it. I went gluten-free fall of last year. I started to think of different ways that I can make some of my favorite recipes, and since pancakes are a weekly staple in our house, it was a natural thing to start with. Today I am making gluten-free pumpkin pancakes. So first we're gonna start by adding the baking powder to the gluten-free oat flour, and then we're gonna put in all the fun spices: cinnamon, salt, ginger, allspice, clove, and nutmeg, and mix that all together. Then we're gonna move over to our wet ingredients, and we're going to add 2 eggs. Adding organic milk to these pancakes gives it a richness and flavor. Pumpkin puree, and then the coconut sugar, and mix that together well. Once we're done there, we're gonna add all the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix it up. Next up, we're gonna heat the skillet over medium heat. Using a 1/4 cup measure, scoop the batter into the skillet and let it cook until you start to see the bubbles form on the top. Then you're gonna flip it and cook it for an additional 2 to 3 minutes. We always make pancakes on the weekends, typically Sundays. If my kids are lucky, 2 to 3 times during the week because it's their favorite. Since we do make pancakes often, we like to mix it up. So we'll add in little chocolate chips, or I like to sneak in spinach by slicing it up and cooking it inside, and the boys have no idea. When I'm ready to serve, I like to keep it simple with a little bit of butter and some organic syrup. My sons are obsessed with berries, so we always have those on the side. Tastes just like pumpkin pie. It's really delicious. I'm just gonna keep eating. You guys really should try this though, it's good.